Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling Siri and confirming basics so it responds reliably. Open Settings, go to Siri and search, then turn on Listen for Hey Siri and press top button for Siri. Make sure your language and voice match how you speak. This improves recognition. Also check your iPad's microphone is clear and you have Wi-Fi or cellular if you plan to ask the web. Once done, try a simple command like "What's the weather?" to verify it hears you. Now learn how to use Siri effectively so it completes tasks quickly. Speak naturally and be specific. Say "Send message to Alex, running 5 minutes late," to target contact and content. Use follow-up questions like "Remind me later" after an initial reminder. Siri keeps context so you don't repeat details. For repetitive workflows, build a shortcut and assign a custom phrase. This turns multi-step actions into one command. Make sure to name shortcuts clearly so Siri recognizes them immediately. Complete tasks by verifying Siri's actions and fixing common issues. After asking Siri to set a reminder or send a message, open the relevant app to confirm the result. This prevents missed items. If Siri mishears you often, retrain Listen for Hey Siri in Settings and review microphone permissions for apps. If problems persist, restart your iPad, install any iOS updates, and test with an external mic to isolate hardware issues. One tip: toggling Siri off and on often clears persistent recognition glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.